Good morning and happy Vlogmas Day 22. Goodness me, 22. That's amazing. I'm amazed that I managed to film every day for 22 days. It's 10:30 already. It's kind of been a long morning. I was up at 6, got a few things done. Hubby took me out for breakfast, our Friday morning tradition. And now I'm down here and I'm just gonna wrap the last few presents I have to wrap, so those tote bags. And I don't know what else I'm gonna do today. I'm in the mood for some slow, relaxing, easy sewing. I do have 2 fabrics on my table that are washed and ready to cut into. One of them, I'm making a long sleeve t-shirt for hubby, not as a gift, just as a because. And the other one is a really nice bamboo sweatshirting in a blue that's going to be part of my winter capsule. So I want to make myself a Beyond Basic sweatshirt with that fabric. So Beyond Basic is basically anything except like a crew neck. So yeah, I was thinking maybe the Hug hoodie, because it's got the nice hem detail, which would be nice. I'd do it without the hood, just to elevate it a little bit. Or, I don't know. Maybe I'll just have a flip through all of my patterns on Stash Hub and see what I could make with that. I've got 2 meters of it, which is more than enough to make a sweatshirt with. So yeah, I haven't decided, but yeah, I'll take you along with me. I'm not going to ask for your ideas because I'm determined to cut into that fabric today. So yeah, and then yeah, that's pretty much it, really. I want to make some plans for next week, because next week, so the week between Christmas and New Year's Day, is my favorite week of the year. I love that week. I have 0 commitments typically. The craziness of, the week leading up to Christmas is over. Christmas is done. I can stay in my PJs all day if I want to. And that's the week I usually sit down and think about the year that's gone, make plans for the upcoming year, think about goals and where I want to be in December 2024 and all of that good stuff. Like, it's a very nice, quiet, reflecting sort of a week for me. So yeah, but today and tomorrow I have very little to do. So I might start my reflecting early this year. So yeah, so Advent calendars, the Beyond the Pink Door calendar was a virtual gift today, and Andrea shared a tutorial for making a beanie, or a toque if you're Canadian. But the fun thing is it's got a twist at the top and an opening. So if you have long hair and you like to wear it up in a ponytail, then you can have your ponytail or bun or whatever just come out the top, which is kind of cool. And our prim calendar, let's see what we have for day 22. Oh, I think it's, yeah. I'm gonna have to go wash my hands now because it's another chalk marker, a yellow one. But like, they lose their lids very easily, these things, because like my hand is literally covered with yellow chalk now. Anywho, I love those things, by the way. white one that we got earlier in the calendar. I used it for the bags and it was, yes, perfect. Okay, I need to go wash my hands. I am wearing ready to wear head to toe today. I'm wearing my new jeans and my Amazon turtleneck, which I have to say is not holding up very well. Like the fabric is already pilling. The white is definitely not white anymore. So yeah, I mean, I did buy it just to see if the style would suit me, and I think it does. So now I just need to think about making myself one of these with good quality fabric that's going to last beyond like 3 washes, basically. Okay, so calendars are done. I am now going to get going on wrapping those last few gifts and decide what's next. So I'll see you in a bit. Well, it is almost 1 o'clock and I've done nothing. It's almost as if I've been doing so much in the past 4 or 5 days, or almost a week really, that I just feel like sitting here and almost vegging. Like I have no gumption to do anything, literally anything. I did clean up my sewing room a bit in terms of I put away all of the Christmas wrapping stuff. Like that's now back in its bag. I have like a really cool storage bag that I found on Amazon a couple months ago, where there's a compartment for your big rolling paper rolls, and then there's a compartment for cards and ribbons and gift bags. And anyways, it's really, really cool. So I have all of my Christmas wrapping stuff and other wrapping things like birthday stuff. It's all in there. So that's now been put away. I put all of the gifts that have now been wrapped into big, huge Costco bags, ready to take to, you know, whichever house they need to go to. I had some really good news a little while ago. I was very sad because I learned yesterday that my stepdaughter, Dougie's daughter, would not be there Christmas lunch. And neither would her 2 kids. So I was very disappointed. For the first time in 17 years, we were going to miss one of our kids for Christmas Day, which, anyways, I was very sad. And I was texting with Christine from Christine Sews a Lot because she's going through the same thing. One of her boys can't make it because the grandkids are all ill, and anyways, so yes, but Dougie and his daughter were texting in a little while, and she is going to try and swing by quickly. She won't be able to stay for the meal, but she will come by her brother's house and see us at least for a little bit, so that, you know, we'll at least get to see her Christmas morning, which is amazing. So I'm feeling a lot better. Yeah, so I put all the Christmas stuff away. Well, the Christmas wrapping stuff away, obviously. I straightened out my room a little bit after the hurricane that was, you know, the bag making stuff from yesterday. I still have some cleaning out to do. Remember all of those clothes that I decided were going to be donated after my closet clear out? Well, I have all of those piles in a corner of my sewing room right now, and I just really need to put them in bags so that I can take them to the charity shop donation center. Yeah. Although Dougie has a friend who often takes my stuff when it no longer fits me or I no longer want it. So I'm sorry, my arm's getting tired. I really should be using my tripod. Anywho, so I need to get those bags those garments in bags and get them ready to leave the house, however they're going to leave the house, either to go to a charity shop or to Dougie's friends. And yeah, I don't know what else I'm going to do. I don't really feel like cutting out that sweatshirt for myself. Oh my goodness. Yeah, so I don't feel like cutting or sewing anything today, to be perfectly honest. So I've been sitting and playing with my stash hub and planning the last little bits of my winter capsule. I will have to order fabric, oh poor me, but I will do that after the holidays in case I get some gift cards for some fabric shops. And then I'm going to plan our quilt along because I'm definitely going to move forward with the quilt along. A lot of you have said that you'd be interested. So I am going to plan that out and make sure it's a fun and interesting quilt along for both beginners and more advanced quilters. So yes, I'm going to spend probably the afternoon doing that kind of thing. So if I do get up to anything interesting, I will pick up the camera again. But for now, I'll leave it here and see you in a bit. Hello, it is past 8 o'clock. I am down here. You've got a bear rubbing up against you. It's freezing cold, so I have my house coat on. It's -9 outside, so that's, I don't know, 14 Fahrenheit, somewhere around there. Yeah, it got really cold all of a sudden, and it's cold in the house, so I'm wearing my house coat and drinking way too much coffee. And Bear is, oh, okay. Anywho, I had a very relaxing day today. I did a little bit of planning, a little bit of cleaning, a little bit of organizing. I did do a little cutting. So I cut a raglan sleeve, like a long sleeve t-shirt for hubby. I have some fabric on my table now to cut myself a hug hoodie. Without the hood, probably just do the crew neck. My boy came to spend about an hour here this afternoon, so we had a good chat. It's just been a really good day. Hockey game is about to start, so I'm gonna watch that while I cut my hug hoodie. And yeah, if nothing interesting happens between now and bedtime, which it probably won't, let's be honest, I'm going to end it here and say good night and see you in the morning. But if something does happen that is worth filming, I will. All right. Bye.